All right guys, welcome back to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. Today I have something special. I have a 1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1, and this thing is bad to the bone. It's got all the ponies under the hood with a second gen Coyote motor. Let's go ahead and take a look at this thing. This was professionally put in by a local speed shop here in Atlanta. So all your wiring is professionally done. Everything is done properly. You do have a Wilwood master cylinder over there, aluminum radiator with electric fans. This thing also blows ice cold AC. Also, if we step around the side here, we do have American Racing wheels here. You do have the real nice 6-piston Wilwood brakes. You also have the Wilwood brakes matching in the back. They're just 4-piston, but this gives you plenty of stopping power, and you'll have no issues with getting up to speed and stopping if need be. Move over here to the interior. You have a late model Mustang interior. I believe it's out of like a 2014 late model Mustang. You also have the 6-speed manual transmission. Also, to be able to monitor the motor, you also have the digital Dakota gauges to tell you your speed and RPM and everything, and those light up really cool. I always like the digital Dakota gauges on these classic cars. But with that being said, guys, we're gonna just make this video short and quick. If you're interested in this car, you can reach us at 770-738-7111. And I also almost forgot the most important part. Let's see what this thing sounds like.